In this episode of What's Coming Next, I wanted to show you what's going on in the world of Google, the software and search juggernaut of the internet. They are becoming a software company that is making hardware on their own. For example, the Q, Google Glass, and the Nexus 7. Google also demonstrated what they're trying to do with their mobile operating system, Jelly Bean, and enhancing the Google Plus experience through events. So here are the highlights.
Welcome to Google I/O, the Android Keynote at I/O 2012. 1 million new Android devices are activated every single day. Android 4.1 Jelly Bean.
This is the project that we call Project Butter at 60 frames per second. Triple buffering in the graphics pipeline. GPU, the CPU, and display to all run in parallel. We now actually anticipate where your finger will be at the time of screen refresh. Now when you interact with the screen, we'll instantly ramp the CPU up. Device on the left is running Ice Cream Sandwich, device on the right, Jelly Bean. So the Jelly Bean device has a much higher frame rate. It feels a lot smoother.
Getting things to fit just right can be a little bit difficult. It magically resizes on its own. In Jelly Bean, we refined and retuned our dictionaries. We've also added a bigram prediction algorithm, which guesses the next word you're going to type before you start typing it. If you're offline, you can still type with your voice. You'll notice that there's a new animation of the photo flying out to the right. With a simple wipe, you can bring it back into view and look at the photo you just took. If you want to go through these photos really quickly, just pinch to go to Film Strip View, and then you can scroll much faster from here. And if you don't like a photo, you can easily get rid of it by just swiping it away. 2 new Android Beam features. You can send someone a photo or video by just tapping your phones together. You can instantly pair and connect your phone with an NFC-enabled Bluetooth device by just tapping it with your phone. In Jelly Bean, notifications show you more information. Just tap on callback. It's really quick and easy. You no longer need to open the Gmail app at all to see what's going on in your inbox. It's all right there. But you can also make them expand or collapse whenever you want with a simple 2-finger gesture. Watch this. From the very beginning, Android had search at its core. In Jelly Bean, we're using the power of the knowledge graph to show you search results in a new, richer way. For example, if you want to know what movies Angelina Jolie has starred in, we'll show you this card. If you want to find a nearby Starbucks, we'll show you a card with a quick map of some stores close to you. In Jelly Bean, voice search is much faster.
Who is the Prime Minister of Japan?
The Prime Minister of Japan is Yoshihiko Noda.
Show me pictures of pygmy marmosets.
If you swipe away that card, there's a wealth of additional information from the web. Google now uses things like your search history, your location history, and your calendar to figure out what information you might need and when. When you commute from home to work and back, it'll then tell you how long the commute on your usual route is going to be, and it'll give you a faster route if there's a lot of traffic. When you're near a bus stop or on a platform at a subway station, Google now tells you when the next bus or train will arrive. Google now will show you bars, restaurants, and places of interest around you as you walk down the street. If you normally take the bus to get around, Google now will tell you when to leave based on how long it'll take you to walk to the bus stop, when the next bus arrives, and how long that bus ride will take. Google now keeps you updated on your favorite sports teams in real time. And the best part is you don't need to set up your favorite teams. You've already done that by searching for them on Google.
You can either tap on the search box, or you can simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You also see the Google Now cards beneath it.
We're going to roll out over-the-air updates to Galaxy Nexus, Motorola Zoom, and Nexus S, and also release Jelly Bean to open source, starting in mid-July.
Google Play is entirely cloud-based. With Smart App updates, users will only download the parts of the APK that have changed on Gingerbread and above. Google Cloud Messaging, completely free for all developers, and there are no quota limitations. Movie purchasing, adding TV. Magazines are coming to Google Play.
We wanted a device that lets you immerse yourself in all of that media. ASUS to help us build just that device. We're introducing Nexus 7, 1280 by 800 HD display, Tegra 3 chipset with a quad-core CPU and a 12-core GPU, front-facing camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, gyroscope and accelerometer, up to 9 hours of video playback. It's only 340 grams. It just feels right.
So earlier, I was reading The Bourne Dominion on my phone. So we can tap on the cover there and pick up exactly where I left off on that other device. Since this is an interactive title, I can tap on any of the interesting articles there and get to and you can, of course, also download your TV shows for offline use if you're going to be somewhere without Wi-Fi, like on a plane. With Nexus 7, we're introducing a powerful new recommendations engine for discovering content that's relevant to you. We've added a What's This Song widget offline maps, so you can save the data for an entire city locally on the device. Dead Trigger from Madfinger Games uses the computational power of the Nexus 7 to create everything from, you see these water droplets that are refracting and sort of going down here on the lens. You got realistic fogs, and of course, lots and lots of blood.
Starting at only $199. When you buy your Nexus 7, we'll also give you a $25 credit to spend in the Google Play Store.
The first consumer electronics product Google has ever designed and built from the ground up. We call it Nexus Q. It's a small Android-powered computer. Nexus Q tightly integrates with Google Play, so you can easily stream music and video.
Not just another black box. The heart of Nexus Q is an OMAP 4460, which is the same chip used in Galaxy Nexus. It has optical digital audio and micro HDMI outputs, dual-band Wi-Fi and Ethernet, as well as NFC and Bluetooth. There's also a micro USB port to connect future accessories and encourage general hackability.
It lights up with a ring of LEDs around the perimeter. Matt is going to use his device to add a song to the queue. At any time, anyone can move songs around the queue, and anyone can take control of the listening experience. Start playing videos from their phone right away. It just works. We'll sell for $299.
In just 1 year, over 250 million people have upgraded to Google+, with 150 million of those being 30-day actives, and 50% of that number signing in every day. When are we going to get a native tablet version of Google+? Your answer is you're going to get it today. Photos, text, videos, all have a distinctive look, so it's easy to know what someone is sharing at a glance. Google Hangouts will automatically switch video based on whoever's talking. Everything we've just shown you is launching on the iPad as well, coming soon. Looks just gorgeous on that Retina display. Also available for your phone. Google Events. Cinematographic themes. Beautifully animated themes. Lights flicker. You can see the barbecue. That's one of my favorites. Deep integration with Google Calendar. Lindsay can check her schedule right from the post with calendar integration. Matt's photo is in the corner, and if she clicks on that, she gets that beautiful cinematograph integrated. Once you've enabled party mode on your device, all new photos automatically get added to the event in real time. That's a lot of fun to kind of just watch as it happens. Google will send emails to all your guests, ask them to upload photos they may have taken. We'll put all of them in one place in chronological order.
Hey, Vic.
Overall.
I've got a really cool event for you. We've got something pretty special for you. It's a little bit time sensitive, so I apologize for interrupting. This can go wrong in about 500 different ways. They have a few glass units. Maybe they'll bring them down.
Oh, San Francisco!
And they're off. Yeah. We're going to have to... I think we have to do it again.
A display, so I can see visual information right now. It has a camera, a pretty powerful processor to process information, and a lot of memory to store information. We have a touchpad on the side. We also have a little button here. Microphone, so we can collect audio information. A small speaker, so I can receive audio information. Gyroscopes, accelerometers, and compass. It has multiple radios for data communication.
We decided to actually position the display above your eye. We want to empower people to use technology naturally.
Communicating through images. Catch fleeting moments in your life that otherwise would be always lost. Very rapid access to information. You might also want to know how to navigate to the next place. You want to know how fast you're going. Help us to figure out what kind of information we should bring here and put in front of people's eyes.
I'd like to announce the Google Glass Explorer Edition. It's going to be something that we'd like to get in the hands of people who are really passionate about it. It's only available for pre-order here at I/O. It will be $1,500. We plan on shipping to early next year. We really want to get all of you to help shape it.
Of all the things when I woke up this morning I wasn't expecting was that I was going to have a Taylor Swift moment.